But before we dive into this fantastic product that we all love, let's spend some time on collagen and its importance. First, what is collagen? Collagen is a structural protein that makes up about 25 to 35% of all the proteins in your body. Collagen production starts to steeply decline around the age of 30, leading to a large reduction in collagen density, which then causes saggy, dull, and wrinkled-looking skin. So what is LifeVantage's answer to declining collagen and its effects? What makes our product the one to use to tackle this issue in the midst, the sea of all these collagen products? Well, what makes our collagen product different is our activate, replenish, maintain approach. So what does that mean? Our collagen activates the production of new collagen fibers in the extracellular matrix, replenishes the collagen that's been lost through supplementation, and then maintains the collagen fibers by slowing their breakdown or degradation. Isn't that threefold approach fantastic? Yeah, that's what drives those results. And it does this through three key actives. First, there's the fish collagen peptides. Then there's a proprietary citrus and berry blend, and then ruby quinoa extract. And there's so much that we could talk about with each of these. You're gonna find as you talk to me one-on-one, I love to talk science, so please come and we'll dive into these, all the details. But for today, we're gonna focus specifically on the red quinoa. So what is red quinoa? It is a native cereal plant from Taiwan. It contains high content of essential amino acids and flavonoids. We talk about it unlocking the cell's ability to absorb collagen as it activates natural collagen and its synthesis to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles. But where red quinoa gets interesting for me is in the data. Gene expression studies were performed in fibroblast cells on the red quinoa, looking at skin barrier-related genes. So we have TGM1, KRT1, and KRT10, and the antioxidant gene SOD2. Now, the results showed an increase in the expression of TGM1 involved in the hardened protective layer of skin cells, and it increased by 2.3-fold. Then KRT1 and KRT10 were also increased by 4.3 and 4.4 times, respectively. And they encode for tough fibrous proteins that form the structural framework of cells called keratinocytes that are found in skin, hair, and nails. And we also saw an increase of the antioxidant gene SOD2, which ultimately encodes for an enzyme that activates the breakdown of free radicals that would negatively impact the skin's look, feel, and barrier function. And this gene was increased by 27 times. So the ruby quinoa impacts the gene expression of skin barrier and antioxidant-related genes. Isn't that pretty exciting? Yeah. But then there is more. And this is where we see the impact very specifically on the activation of collagen. So the COL1A2 gene ultimately encodes for type 1 collagen, a fibroforming collagen that is found especially in skin, bone, the cornea, and tendons. And with the addition of red quinoa, we saw the expression of this gene increase by 43%. 43%. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. But it's also important to maintain the collagen you have, and ruby quinoa also helps with that. It acts on the gene that encodes for the production of something called matrix metallopeptidase 9, or MMP9. And these enzymes are responsible for breaking down that collagen, gradually chipping away at the integrity of that scaffolding that gives you and your skin its structure and firmness. Now, red quinoa was shown to downregulate MMP9 by 33%. Wow. Then we used some fluorescent staining technique to visualize, because I'm a visual person. I don't know what you guys are, but I really need to just see it for my own self in my own eyes, and that's where I love this visualization of fluorescent staining. And it showed that increasing this COL1A2 expression actually increases the collagen secretion in the fibroblasts. So looking at the images that you can see on the slide, the green dye indicates collagen, and the blue dye shows the nucleus of fibroblasts. The top image is the control, and the bottom image indicates the impact of the addition of red quinoa. And overall, there is an approximately 100% increase in collagen fiber density. Yeah. confirmation that collagen is being activated. And that's why you're seeing these amazing results. And these amazing results of red quinoa, combined with the other actives in our collagen formula, lead to the impressive data that was gathered during an 8-week clinical trial on the finished formula. Collagen density increased by 42%, depth of crow's feet reduced by 22%. There is an improvement of skin roughness and skin elasticity by 10% and 8% respectively, and blood catalase levels increased by 202%. The proof is in the results. And I'll tell you, I've been in this industry, I've been in it for 15 years. These are some pretty fantastic results. You can't beat them, and I know a lot of you have experienced it firsthand. I've seen some of those photos. It does what it says. Because of the powerful ingredients in our collagen formula, there are demonstrable results. Results you can look in the mirror and see. And that's why you need some collagen in your life.